In this video, we will learn how to speak English naturally. Speaking English naturally takes practice, but here are some key strategies to help. 1. Immerse yourself in English. Watch movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos in English. Listen to podcasts and audiobooks to get used to natural speech patterns. Read books, articles, and social media posts in English. 2. Practice speaking daily. Speaking regularly is key to sounding natural in English. Here's how you can do it. A. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. I need to go shopping. Talk about your plans. Tomorrow I'll meet my friend for lunch. Pretend you're explaining something to someone, like a news story or a book summary. B. Join English speaking groups. Find language exchange partners online. Tandem, Hello Talk, or Meetup. Join online discussion forums or social media groups in English. Participate in English speaking clubs or Toastmasters to practice in a structured way. C. Record yourself speaking. Choose a topic and speak for a minute. Listen and compare with a native speaker. Read aloud from books, articles, or scripts to practice pronunciation and fluency. Track your progress by keeping recordings and noticing improvements over time. D. Use a shadowing technique. Pick a video or podcast with a transcript. Listen and repeat immediately, imitating the speaker's tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. Do this daily to develop a natural flow in speech. A. Have conversations with others. Speak with native speakers or fluent English speakers whenever possible. If you don't have access to native speakers, practice with AI chatbots or voice assistants. Join online English speaking communities like Reddit, Discord, or Clubhouse. F. Play speaking games and challenges. Try tongue twisters to improve pronunciation and clarity. Challenge yourself to describe an object in detail without using its name. Have debates or discussions on interesting topics with friends. Talk to yourself in English, narrating your day or thoughts. Join English speaking groups or language exchange programs. Record yourself speaking and compare it to native speakers. 3. Learn and use common phrases. Focus on phrases and idioms rather than individual words. Learn how natives greet, agree, disagree, and express emotions. 4. Improve pronunciation and intonation. Copy how native speakers talk. Shadowing technique. Use apps like Elsa, Forvo, or Youglish to hear correct pronunciations. Focus on stress, rhythm, and linking words naturally. 5. Think in English. Avoid translating from your native language. Try to form thoughts directly in English. 6. Be confident and relaxed. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They help you learn. Speak slowly and clearly at first. Then work on speed. Hello, English learner. Welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning master English, fast and efficient. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you find this video helpful and you can master English quickly. If you want more about English learning tips and up-to-date English learning video tips, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips. And we will put new great content every single day. And don't forget to give thumbs up and comment below if have some question. See you on the next video.